Hello, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we'll study with another topic, that is hearing aids. We'll see what is hearing aids. Here, hearing aids is an electronic battery operated device. Here, hearing aid is an electronic battery operated device. It amplifies device and changes here operated device amplifies and changes sound to improve communication. Okay. Here, hearing aid is an electronic battery operated device, and then it's going to make amplifies. Amplifies is nothing but a making sound clear and it has to be audible. That is amplifies and changes sound. Amplifies is nothing but a making loud voice, and then amplifies and changes sound to, for what purpose? For improved communication. Next we'll see the components. Here we'll see the components of what? Components of hearing aid. First one, there will be the microphone, and then amplifier, and then speaker, and then power. Here these are the components of hearing aids. Okay. Here, microphone catches the sound. And then amplifier, it makes that sound amplified. That is making that sound amplified. Amplifier, and then speaker. Here that it sends amplified sound to the what? Sound to the ear. And then here it supply the power to make all above happen. That is supply the power. And then here indication of hearing aid is, what is the indication here? Indication is hearing loss. Indication of that hearing aid is hearing loss. Next we'll see the types of hearing aids. We'll see the types. What are the types? First, pocket model, spectacles type, in the ear, behind the ear, behind the ear, in the canal, in the mini canal, and completely in the canal, completely in the canal. And next, bone conduction hearing aid, bone conduction hearing aid. And another one is remote microphone, remote microphone. These are the types of hearing aid, that is pocket model and then spectacle style. After that, in the canal hearing aid, in the behind the canal, that is hearing aid, and then in the canal and then mini canal, completely in the canal hearing aids, and then bone conduction hearing aid, and then remote microphone hearing aid. These are the types of hearing aids. Next we'll see care and maintenance of hearing aids. Care and maintenance. Maintenance of what? Of hearing aids. Here, prevent it from falling down. Prevent it from falling down. Falling down. And then don't spill liquids on the hearing aids. It must fit well. And then cords should not be twisted or knotted. Cords should not be twisted or knotted. And then prevent it from, it means hearing aid, prevent it from dirt, dust and heat. And then here, remove the battery from the hearing aids when it is not in use. This is the way we need to take care of that hearing aids. This is all about that hearing aids. Here we have completed the topic hearing aids. In this topic we have discussed that what is hearing aid, types, and then also indication is the hearing loss, and then care and maintenance. I hope you all are very clear with the topic hearing aids. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.